Welcome back everybody to another one in my aviation events videos, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Canada Day mass flyover over downtown Ottawa as a celebration of the RCAF 100th anniversary. Now, I've been looking forward to this flyover for a while. It's been a number of months since it was first announced, and I had a plan of where I wanted to go, and surprisingly the park wasn't all that busy. I ended up going to Bronson Park, which was just south of the intended fly past, away from the worst of the crowds. You couldn't see any of the Canada Day celebrations itself, but it was a perfect view for the fly past, which you'll see here. The only downside was kind of to the east where they were coming in. I was right behind a condo, so the plane just kind of popped out and surprised me in some cases, but if I moved forward and looked down the street, I would have lost a lot of the other half of the flyby behind the trees. So give and take. Anyways, turned out really cool. There was roughly 40 odd aircraft flew over in about a 20-minute window, comprising almost, I mean, I have to sit down and look at the paper. I think we covered pretty much every aircraft that's in the current RCAF service. I think all of them, to be honest. I'd have to really go down the list and see if we missed anything, but I don't think we missed much. And including a lot of historical stuff, some World War II stuff, and some trainers, and the future of the RCAF, which you'll see with a U.S. Air Force P-8 Poseidon, 2 F-35s, the brand new Pilatus PC-21, that's what's selected as our lead-in trainer, as well as the CC-295 Kingfisher, which hasn't actually entered service yet. Overall, really glad they did this. It was really cool to see. So let's jump right into it. Take a look at the flyby. It's going to start off actually with some of the Skyhawks. They jumped over LeBreton Flats at about noon, and I was right there, so I videotaped some of that, which was kind of cool. And then it goes into the flyby. So I'm not going to do chapters or anything. It's only the video is only going to be about 5 or 6 minutes long because I cut out all the dead space between the aircraft. So I'm not going to do chapters. You guys can just watch it all if you want. It's only 5 minutes. And yeah, as always, my name is Sean, and this is Sean's Aviation.